We meticulously brush, we floss, we rinse. But what if the most powerful tool for rebuilding your oral health is actually your grocery list? The truth is, the foods you eat can either fuel the destructive cycle of inflammation and decay, or they can provide the essential building blocks to help rebuild your gums and strengthen your teeth from the inside out. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm giving you a dental shopping list. We are counting down the top 7 foods that can actively help you fight back against gum problems and fortify your tooth enamel naturally. Stay tuned, because some of these might surprise you. Number 7. Leafy greens like spinach and kale. These dark green leaves are nutritional royalty for a reason. They are packed with minerals and vitamins. But for oral health, 2 things stand out. First, they are high in vitamin K, which is crucial for bone metabolism and plays a key role in supporting the density of your teeth. Second, they are rich in nitrates. Your body converts these nitrates into nitric oxide, a fantastic molecule that improves blood flow and circulation. As we've learned, better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients delivered directly to your gum tissues, helping them to heal and stay resilient. Number 6. Crunchy, high-fiber fruits and veggies. Think carrots, celery, and apples. These foods are nature's toothbrushes. Their firm, fibrous texture physically scrubs plaque from your teeth as you chew, helping to keep them clean between brushings. But their main benefit is that they stimulate saliva production. Saliva is your mouth's unsung hero. It's a natural defense mechanism that washes away food particles, neutralizes harmful acids that cause enamel erosion, and contains enzymes that fight bad bacteria. So, crunching on these veggies is a delicious way to give your mouth a cleansing rinse. Number 5. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel. If you have red, swollen, or inflamed gums, omega-3 fatty acids should be your best friend. Fatty fish are the best dietary source of these incredible nutrients, which are famous for their powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Consuming omega-3 south can help to calm the inflammatory response in your gums, reducing tenderness and bleeding. Plus, fatty fish are a great source of vitamin D, which is absolutely essential for your body to absorb and utilize calcium, the primary building block of your teeth. Number 4. Green tea. We've mentioned this before, and it's so good we have to mention it again. Making a habit of sipping green tea can provide profound benefits for your mouth. It's loaded with powerful antioxidants called catechins. Research has shown that these compounds help to inhibit the growth of the harmful bacteria responsible for plaque and gingivitis. By controlling these bacteria and reducing inflammation at the same time, green tea provides a powerful 1-2 punch in support of healthy gums. Number 3. Shiitake mushrooms. This one is a fantastic secret weapon for your oral health. While all mushrooms have benefits, shiitake mushrooms contain a specific polysaccharide called lentonin. Scientific studies have shown that lentonin has strong assertive antibacterial properties that specifically target the bacteria that cause cavities and gum inflammation. What's amazing is that it seems to fight the bad bacteria without harming the good bacteria that your mouth needs to maintain a healthy, balanced oral microbiome. Number 2. Foods rich in calcium. This is a fundamental one. Your tooth enamel is almost entirely made of minerals, primarily calcium and phosphate. You need a constant dietary supply to keep it strong. Obvious sources include dairy like yogurt and cheese, which also contain casein, a protein that helps fortify enamel. If you're dairy-free, look for fortified almond or soy milk, tofu, and canned sardines. Pro tip: a probiotic yogurt not only provides calcium, but also introduces beneficial bacteria to help balance your oral microbiome. Number 1. The concept of internal fortification. The most important food isn't a food at all. It's the concept of ensuring your body can actually use the nutrients from all these amazing foods. You can have the perfect diet, but if your body is dealing with high levels of systemic inflammation or isn't absorbing nutrients efficiently, your efforts might be falling short. True, lasting oral health is built when a nutrient-rich diet is paired with powerful, targeted support that works from within to create an optimal environment for healing and rebuilding. This means ensuring your body has a concentrated, bioavailable supply of everything it needs to supercharge repair of your gum tissues and the remineralization of your teeth. For those who are serious about taking their internal fortification to the next level, a professional-grade formula can be the missing piece of the puzzle. To learn more about a unique professional formula designed to provide this deep systemic support for your teeth and gums, please check the very first line in the description below. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this dental grocery list empowers you on your next trip to the store. If you found this valuable, please show your support with a thumbs up and subscribe for more expert advice. Now, let's make it interactive. What's your favorite healthy food for a strong smile? Drop it in the comments.